Today we have Toyota Passo in which we have already removed the dashboard assembly. Now we will analyze the wiring harnesses inside the dashboard and how the connectors and the modules are connected to each other. So we are basically working on the AC unit system, and we are removing the evaporator assembly for AC, and right now we are removing the AC cooling unit. You can see here. First of all, we have to remove and loose the wiring harness in order to remove this complete wiring, and the reinforcement. You can see the rusty metallic body. So from here, the downside is for cooling unit assembly, complete AC, complete unit assembly, and the right of your here, it is the SRH unit. SRH unit has always the yellow wirings and yellow connectors. So this is the reinforcement. You can see the rusty body in which the whole dashboard is saturated on it. This is the junction connector for body control ECU, and this is the way we are removing. And this is the junction connectors. And right now here there is the brakes.
So these are the reinforcements are attached to the body. So in order to make sure that secure system from the front area, and this is the brake switch and brake pedal, and the sparking pedal also. The wiring looms and the connectors and the units are connected from these wiring looms. While we are inspecting or diagnosing, we can use these kind of things. Here we put the pressure for AC.
Normally manifold gauge is using to analyze the pressure for high side and low side of AC system. So here is the high and here is the low. We have connected the both plugs onto the lines. This is the lines which are connected with high pressure and low pressure lines. So you can see here also the expansion valves. So after expansion valve, the lines are go from these lines. So here we can see this is the lines we are measuring the pressure. Although we have replaced the evaporator assembly, now we are putting the pressure for testing, and then we can put this kind of area so that if the pressure is here, there is pressure. So the side glass, either the pressure is here or not. And this is the pressure switch in order to sense the pressure in the system, so that AC system is getting on or off by doing this. And this is the battery system, as we all know. And again, the junction connector and the switches are bound together with the wiring harnesses, and further you can see this module and the connector. So right now we are making our wiring harness in one area. So we are removing this reinforcement in order to remove the main evaporator assembly, so that lose the wiring harness from the clip remover and removing the bolt, so that if the wiring harness become loose, it will give you more space to remove the expansion valve along with cooling unit assembly. So you can say that it is the shortest way to remove the cooling unit assembly completely. So just removing the wiring harness from the reinforcement area, so wiring will give you more space to remove the whole complete unit. If wiring will stuck up, the wiring might be damaged because of the high stress of while we can removing in the dashboard complete assembly. Now you can see that we have removed already this evaporator assembly. So you have to make the space in order to remove all complete assembly. And right now you can analyze the wiring which already do not remove, that you can see here the wiring already connected from the top of the reinforcement. So next time if you can refix, this is the unit we are going to show you, and we are while fix with this shortcut or short area, so it is easier to understand the things, how we can use or refix the complete assembly, and how can we remove the connectors which are mostly required.